VF-Engineering has been in business for 12 years. We've been focusing on BMWs, Audis and Porsche. Designing forced induction systems is not as straightforward as just physically designing the hardware and bolting it on a car. The M3 was particularly hard to tune because of the very sensitive throttle bodies and the compression ratio requiring us to turn ignition timing to a level whereby we had to find a safe equilibrium for power. GIC have been tuning German ECU powered cars for over 10 years. They're well known for tuning Porsche 996 twin turbos. GIC's capabilities and engineering allows us to design kits for cars around the world. This is our replacement charge cooler manifolds, a three-piece design, and the center core is a heat exchanger where we have cool water coming in, designed to cool the intake charge, which enters through here, travels through the heat exchanger, is cooled down and enters the throttle bodies. The air-to-water charge cooling system provides an efficient and reliable cooling effect to the charge created by the Vortex supercharger. The efficiency of the supercharger also minimizes the introduction of heat through the action of compression on the induction. This is the intake assembly. We use a K&N filter with a splash resistant sock. Plastic airbox is designed to help reduce water. We use approximate size of 3-inch supercharger pulley. The belt is tensioned by the factory sprung tensioner. This reduces the possibility of belt slip. We try to eliminate by increasing the amount of belt wrap around the pulley itself, therefore allowing the car to run efficiently and making the same consistent power in different conditions. GIC have worked with us extensively in tuning our test car. We have monitored everything to ensure that the car operates within safe parameters. In the headers, we've measured individual exhaust gas temperatures in each of the 6 runners, and we've measured all the fuel trims and diagnostic controls of the OEM ECU. The car was driven for long periods of time out in the desert, over the grapevine, where we'd see very long, steep inclines and long stretch full throttle runs. But the testing lasted a period of 2 years where we clocked approximately 17,000 miles. Our 5 psi supercharger kit creates a gain of 25 horsepower per psi at the wheels. Stage 1 supercharger creates 400 horsepower at the wheels, which we measured on a Dynajet. The Stage 2 is planned to introduce an extra 1 to 1.5 pounds of boost, where we expect to take power up to around 425 horsepower at the wheels. Stage 2 is expected to be a chip and a pulley. And we have a test car that we're working on with low compression built rods and pistons, which we are looking to achieve between 12 to 15 psi on, looking for 500 plus at the wheels, potentially in the mid 500s. To demonstrate the performance of the charge cooler, you can feel the warm heat, you can feel the heat coming off the hot side of the manifold. And you put your hand on the core here and it's actually cold to touch. So you've got cool air going in the engine. But that is literally cold to touch.
Feel it. It's totally cold, no doubt about it. And that's definitely hot. Awesome.